Hi guys, welcome back to Live Tasty. I'm Olivia. Today we are making crab dip from scratch. Let's slide right into this video. First things first, we're going to start with some softened cream cheese. Then we're going to add some sour cream and mayonnaise right into that. Next, we're going to go in with some heavy cream. I'm going to gently use a whisk just to break everything up together, and then we're going to give it a nice stir. So just to fill you in, I was craving crab dip from my favorite restaurant, which is Port City Chop House in Wilmington, North Carolina, but they closed down. Luckily, my good friend, Miss Cartier Brown, she has a recipe online for crab dip, so we are trying that out today. Now guys, just go in with some of your cheese, some fresh lemon juice. We're gonna add salt, black pepper, and some seafood seasoning. And as always, all of the ingredients and measurements are listed in the description for you. Then just mix that all together until it looks like this. And now for the best part, we are going in with some lump crab meat. I bought this at Publix and we're just going to dump that all in there. Well, actually, I want to put some on top to make it look, fancy. I like to actually see my crab on top of the dip. So I'm just going to take some out and then gently fold in the rest of the crab meat. One reason I love the crab dip at the Chop House is because you can really taste those lumps of crab meat. Do not mix this too hard because you will break up the crab meat. Then guys, go ahead and grab a greased baking dish and just dump all of that yummy crab dip right into the pan. Once you have everything in there, go ahead and top off the crab dip with the remaining cheeses and bake it. And now we are going to get started on our pita bread. So one thing that made me love the crab dip at Chop House also is that they use these warm pita bread to dip into the crab dip. I hate when I go to a restaurant and I order the crab dip and they give me like a chips to dip the crab dip. Like, I much prefer it this way. It's so soft and perfect. So now our crab dip has just come out of the oven. I don't know if you can see how much like oil has come from like the cheese and all the dairy that we put in, but I am going to dab that off only because I have a very sensitive stomach and I shouldn't be eating this in the first place, but it's banging, so it's worth the stomach ache. I want to make this look fancy for my family, so I just put some in a bowl. I topped it with more of the crab meat and some fresh chopped chives. Cartier Brown's recipe for crab dip is like spot on. It's definitely restaurant worthy. If you guys try this, please let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.